plan, can't understand. I love the air you bring, everything. I'm in the sun, a fire is burning. You tell me to hold on tight.
And the final tack cloth. Without any particles or dust that can settle on here.
I wish that we could stay here forever. I wanna remember. Oh, the sight of you brings the fight in me, makes me wanna move. Fingers down your spine, looking in my eyes, feel your hand. Tonight we're freer than ever. I wanna remember. Oh, we run every endeavor. I wanna remember. Step on the land, I've got your hand, and now we're way down, fade out. No, was it your plan? Can't understand. I love the air you bring, everything.
2 coats are clear. Parts are drying in the paint booth. And new filters installed. Worked great. I would say it was a big improvement, actually. I walked around the outside of the booth as I was spraying and smelled nothing. So, got all the insides and some critical parts painted and cleared. Now we can flip them over and get everything else painted. Hey, thanks for watching my second video on my Sewinfla paint booth. I can't tell you how happy.
pendulum swings. Watch it count down to the end of the day. The clock takes life away. It's so unreal. Didn't look out below. Watch the time go right out the window. Trying to hold on to didn't even know I wasted it all just to watch you go. I kept everything inside, and even though I tried, it all fell apart. What it meant to be will eventually be a memory of a time I tried so hard and got so far, but in the end, it doesn't even matter. I had to fall to lose it all, but in the end, it doesn't even matter. One thing, I don't know why, it doesn't even matter how hard you try. Keep that in mind, I designed this rhyme to remind myself how I tried so hard. In spite of the way you were mocking me, acting like I was part of your property, remembering all the times you fought with me, I'm surprised it got so. Things aren't the way they were before. You wouldn't even recognize me anymore. Not that you knew me back then, but it all comes back to me in the end. You kept everything inside, and even though I tried, it all fell apart. What it meant to me will eventually be a memory of a time when I tried so hard and got so far, but in the end, it doesn't even matter. I had to fall to lose it all, but in the end, it doesn't even matter. I put my trust in you, pushed as far as I can go. For all this, there's only one thing you should know. I've put my trust in you, pushed as far as I can go. For all this, there's only one thing you should know. I tried so hard and got so far, but in the end, it doesn't even matter. I had to fall to lose it all. Yeah, it doesn't even matter.
Okay, so clear coat is done, and I've been letting it breathe for about an hour and a half now. Let's go in here and check it out. Whew, it's hot in here. Okay, oh yeah, she's looking pretty glassy. I mean, that right there, I'm not even gonna sand. Oh, there's some trash. So there, when I was doing the last coat, I definitely saw a little bit of bugs. Like, for example, you can see one right there. I don't really know how I could have stopped that, but it is what it is. Oh yeah, she's looking nice. I'm happy with that. Little trash there. Rear bumper looks very solid. Stupid black bug. So here's where I started, and I had a slight issue with some of the gun settings. So the entire car turned out fantastic, and I don't know if you can see it on the camera or not, but basically I started out with too much fluid and not enough air pressure, and put it on way too heavy. So we do have a slight wall of clear. It was just too much clear. After letting it sit for over 12 hours, what it really needed and what I did is do a very light dusting to kind of give a nice tacky surface. And then I followed up with 2 medium wet coats. I really hope you can hear me because it's very loud in here, but it turned out pretty good. The rest of the car came out very nice. I don't see any issues, don't see any other runs. I'm happy with it. I mean, I hate the little black bugs. There was no bugs in here last night, but it is what it is. Let's check the mirror. Yeah. Test it. All right. Oh yeah, that feels good. Nice. Okay, so what we're gonna do now is I'm gonna get it unmasked, get it back in the shop, and then we'll let it finish curing up. We'll do a final look under the lights and probably wrap this video up. It's been exciting. I'm very happy to get this thing painted because I mean, this was the last big step. So now that this is done, I can just focus on the little stuff and get it back on the road. All right, let me put you guys up and we'll start taking this plastic off.